How to buy $TMC, TMC Corp Token Crypto Coin How to buy LBANK MEXC Global SOLANA RAYFIUM CGPT NLMs AI meme. Title: TMC Core Token. What you need to know about this trending crypto. Hey everyone, Helper Dog here, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the TMC Core Token, TMC. This token is getting a lot of attention lately with some big central exchange listings, and it's trending on DEX Screener. I'll break down what the TMC Core Token is all about and show you how you can acquire it. But first, let me give you a quick disclaimer. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is purely for informational purposes. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions, especially with cryptocurrency, as it can be highly volatile. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the details. What is the TMC Core Token? The TMC Core Token is a brand new Solana-based crypto that recently gained a lot of traction. It's been around for less than a day, having launched just 13 hours ago, but it already had a community takeover, and it has secured multiple new listings on major centralized exchanges. Where to buy the TMC Core Token? If you're looking to grab the TMC Core Token, it's available on two major centralized exchanges. LBANK, listed on January 24th at 8 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. MEXC Global, also available for trading. You can use either of these exchanges to purchase the TMC token with USDT. If you don't already have an account with MEXC Global, I have a referral link in the description box below. You can sign up, fund your account with USDT, and easily buy TMC from there. Getting TMC Core Token on decentralized exchanges. If you prefer decentralized exchanges, you can find TMC Core on Raydium. There's currently a $1 million liquidity pool on Raydium, with 99.5% of the liquidity locked and burned, which is a good sign for stability. To buy TMC Core on Raydium, you'll need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, such as Solflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask, with Solana support. Fund your wallet with Solana, SOL, which you can purchase from any centralized exchange. Go to Raydium, and using the correct contract address for TMC Core, which you can find on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, or SolScan, trade your SOL for TMC. Be sure to double-check the contract address to avoid scams. TMC Core Token Facts. Here are some important details about the TMC Core Token. Total supply: less than 1 billion tokens, deflationary model. Current price: around $1.89. Note: this is subject to change due to market fluctuations. Market cap: $17.3 million as of now. 24-hour trading volume: $98.8 million. Holders: over 10,000. Liquidity: the Raydium liquidity pool has $1 million, and 99.5% of it is locked and burned. The token has had an impressive start, up 7,874% today, with over 190,000 transactions completed in the last 24 hours. Community and social media. TMC Core is active on several social platforms. They have a Telegram group, TMC Core Community, with over 6,000 members online, which is a great place to get project updates, announcements, and engage with other holders. They also have a Twitter account, where you can stay updated on the latest news and developments. Audit and security. According to the quick audit on DEX Tools, TMC Core has a verified contract, and there are no significant risks such as a honeypot or modifiable taxes. The token's DEX score is currently 98 out of 99, which indicates a strong rating in terms of security. Risk considerations. Despite the excitement surrounding TMC Core, it's important to keep in mind that new tokens, especially meme coins, can be very volatile. There's no guarantee that the token will continue its upward trajectory, so always do your own research and be cautious with your investments. The fact that it's so new and has already had some big exchanges listed is promising, but remember that meme tokens can be especially risky. Final thoughts. The TMC Core Token is definitely making waves in the crypto space right now. With new exchange listings and a huge jump in trading volume, it could be one to watch. But as always, it's crucial to stay informed and approach with caution. What do you think about the TMC Core Token? Do you see it as a good investment, or are you more cautious about meme coins? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my daily updates on the latest crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and take care, everyone. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.